Now let us discuss the 76th question. Given below are the two statements. Okay, this here is the statement 1. Aspirin and paracetamol belonging to the class of narcotics. Okay. And statement 2. Morphine and heroin are the non-narcotic drugs. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct one from the options given below. You have to keep in mind that this type of statements are called jumbled statements. Why? Because here aspirin and paracetamol belongings to non-narcotic, and here morphine and heroin belongings to narcotic. Here jumbling of a statement takes place. That's why this type of statements are called the jumbled statements. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer.